Part 2. Directions. Now you will hear a question or statement followed by 3 responses. Choose the best response to each question or statement. Now let us begin Part 2 with question number 16. Number 16.
Can you confirm your booking by fax?
A.
I need the books.
B.
I can't read it.
C.
Sure. What's your fax number?
Number 17. Would you like a starter? A.
I'll have chef salad, please.
B.
Yes, I love it.
C.
I would like to start now.
Number 18.
Do you like spicy food?
A. Yes, I would. B. Not very much. C. It looks like fish. Number 19.
Would you like a wake-up call tomorrow morning?
A.
Yes, I do.
B.
Yes, at 7, please.
C.
I woke up at 7.
Number 20. Good morning, Christina. How are you? A.
Yes, I am.
B.
Steve's sister.
C.
Fine, thanks.
Number 21.
Did you go to the conference last week?
A.
In Barcelona.
B.
It lasted 2 days.
C.
I couldn't make it.
Number 22.
Will you excuse me a moment?
A.
After the meeting.
B.
Yes, sure.
C.
Pleased to meet you.
Number 23.
How are you finding your room?
A.
It's too small.
B.
I found it in the bathroom.
C.
Very pleased.
Number 24. Who is the new sales manager? A.
In Canada.
B.
Since last year.
C.
Walter's wife.
Number 25. What time did the plane land? A.
At 7.
B.
7 times.
C.
The 7th time.
Number 26.
How many of you are coming?
A. Twice. B. Both of us. C. By train. Number 27.
Who are you buying this tie for?
A.
At a gift shop.
B.
I'm tied up all day.
C.
My brother-in-law.
Number 28. How would you like to pay for this? A.
$20.
B.
Yes, I would.
C.
By check.
Number 29.
Is there a fax machine on the 2nd floor?
A.
No, she's on the 3rd floor.
B.
5 minutes ago.
C.
I don't think so.
Number 30. What would you like to drink with your meal? A.
I don't like meat.
B.
We can meet there if you like.
C.
I'll have some soda.
Number 31.
Who sent her an email?
A.
The accountant did.
B.
She sent it to the post office.
C.
There's one in the center.
Number 32. Can we meet at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning? A.
We met at 9:20.
B,
9 o'clock is fine.
C,
I can't eat that.
number 33.
Do you have any plans for this weekend?
A,
I played golf last weekend.
B,
The plane leaves at 4:50.
C,
I'd like to go fishing.
number 34.
Which platform does your train leave from?
A, it leaves at 5 o'clock. B, I live near the train station. C, the one on the left. Number 35.
When did you come back from Lisbon?
A,
Next week.
B,
Last Saturday.
C,
To Tokyo.